Audi recently pulled the wraps off the all-new A6 and now we're starting to learn more about the upcoming RS6. While we've heard a handful of rumors about the model in the past, the latest report from Auto Build suggests the car could be introduced as early as next year. The high-performance model is expected to be offered exclusively as a wagon, but the report suggests slow wagon sales in major markets, such as China and the United States, means there's still a chance for a sedan variant. Power will reportedly be provided by the same twin-turbo 4.0-litre V8 engine that resides in models such as the Porsche Cayenne Turbo and Lamborghini Urus. In the Audi RS6 Avant, it is expected to produce around 605 PS, 445 kilowatts. If the report pans out, the car would have 45 PS, 33 kilowatts, more than its predecessor, and this should enable the redesigned wagon to easily beat the outgoing model, which can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in 3.9 seconds. An RS6 performance could follow later with an upgraded engine developing around 650 PS, 478 kilowatts, and 800 Nm, 590 pounds-foot of torque. This would be a significant increase over the current model, which has 605 PS, 445 kilowatts, and 700 Nm, 516 pounds-foot of torque. The numbers should be taken with a grain of salt, but Audi's head of design, Mark Licht, has previously confirmed the RS7, which will share a lot in common with the RS6, will be offered in 2 states of tune. However, there have also been rumors the more extreme version of the RS7 would have a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines the twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor.